steal my toys and pour lemonade on my bed. And now I'm meeting your boyfriend. See? At least I'm consistent. Why do you need him? Is it just to tick me off? Or is it because you're just really insecure?
I am not insecure. I am going to beat your son and shit.
Little vampire girl, I just wanna take a sip. Wanna lick your pretty red blood off my lips. Left you laying in the dirt on your sudden death kiss. Touch your good blood runs down my fingertips. Can't complain 'cause you couldn't get a grip. You took an upgrade, now you're laying in your crib. Little vampire girl, I just wanna take a sip. Wanna lick your pretty red blood off my lips. That's just